Anyone that claimed that he is a believer or she is a believer, but they didn't take their salah seriously, will not be able to make sujood on Yawm al-Qiyamah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, and beware of the day of the sign of God, or the shin of God will be exposed. The shin of God will be exposed. And that is the moment where everyone will be terrified in that scene. The wicked will be asked to prostrate in sujood, but they will not be able to. خَاشِعَةً أَبَصَارُهُمْ تَرْهَقُهُمْ ذِلَّةٌ وَقَدْ كَانُوا يُدْعَوْنَ إِلَى السُّجُودِ وَهُمْ سَالِمُونَ. Their eyes are downcast, totally covered with disgrace, for they were always called to prostrate to Allah in the world, and they were fully capable, and they chose not to. So leave me, O Prophet, to those who reject this message. We will gradually drive them to destruction in ways that they cannot even fathom, in ways that they cannot even comprehend. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, I only delay their end for a little while, but my planning is flawless. My planning is flawless. Anyone that prostrated to other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they will try to prostrate in that moment, but they will not be able to. Anyone that claimed that he is a believer or she is a believer, but they didn't take their salah seriously, will not be able to make sujood on Yawm al-Qiyamah. Anyone that used to make sujood or pray their Riya, pray for, showing off, to show off to people, they would be like, oh, mashallah, this person prays and stuff like that. They won't be able to make sujood on Yawm al-Qiyamah.